In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change print settings in QuickBooks 2026, step by step. Whether you're printing an invoice, a sales receipt, a report, or a check, getting the print settings right ensures everything looks professional and fits perfectly on the page. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently print exactly what you need. First, open the item you want to print inside QuickBooks. This could be an invoice you just created, a receipt you need for your records, a detailed report, or a check. Take a quick moment to review the information on screen to make sure it's accurate. When you're ready, select Print or Preview. This opens the print window where you'll fine-tune how everything appears on paper. When the print window appears, look for the option labeled More Settings. This expands additional controls that aren't visible by default. Next, choose Printer Properties. This is where you access device-specific options provided by your printer. The exact layout can vary depending on your printer model, but the overall idea is the same. This is the control center for how your document will be sent to the printer. Now let's adjust the key settings. Start with the paper size. Common choices include letter and A4. Pick the one that matches the paper loaded in your printer. Using the wrong size can cause unexpected scaling or cut off edges. Next, set the orientation. Use portrait for most invoices, receipts, and checks, and switch to landscape for wide reports so columns don't get squished. Look at the scale controls and consider enabling fit to page. This helps prevent text or columns from running off the edge of the paper. If you need exact alignment, such as when printing checks, you may prefer an exact scale rather than automatic fitting. Then review the margins. Standard or default margins usually work well, but if your content is too tight, increase them slightly. If it's too spaced out, reduce them. Finally, choose the print quality. Draft saves ink and prints faster, which is great for internal copies, while higher quality is best for client-facing documents or archival records. Once your settings look good, click Apply, then Print. If your preview doesn't match what you expected, revisit More Settings and Printer Properties and tweak paper size, orientation, scale, or margins until the preview looks right. That's it. Open what you want to print, access More Settings and Printer Properties, adjust paper size, orientation, scale, margins, and print quality, then apply and print. With these steps, your QuickBooks documents will come out clean, consistent, and ready to share.